Okay, now see this figure. This is what shape it is? Rectangular shape. That means this name this quadrilateral. This is also a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral in which what category it is coming? Rectangle. That means it is having opposite sides are equal. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. How to name? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. So this special name is ABCD is a rectangle. Rectangle means already you have learned in 3rd standard also rectangle. So opposite sides are equal. I already told you just before. Opposite sides are equal. This side is AD is 5 centimeter. So BC also opposite side. How much it is? 5 centimeter because they are opposite sides are equal. Okay, and this DC is 2 centimeter. So what is the measurement of AB? This also equal. How much will come? 2 centimeter because these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. That is opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. Understood? And each angle, here also how many angles coming? 4 angles. Angle B, angle C and angle D. These are the 4 angles. So each angle is also 90 degree it is coming, right angle. This is 90 degree. This also 90 degree. This also 90 degree. This also 90 degree. 90 degree means perpendicular. So this you will learn in higher classes also. So each angle also equal and opposite sides are equal and parallel also. Okay. This much you understand. And how many vertices? Tell me how many vertices? Vertex A, B, C, D. How many vertices? 4 vertices. How many vertices? 4 vertices and 4 sides. The line segment joining 2 vertex. That is the side. Understood? This is the side. So how to 3 these line segment joining, then it will make the side. So line segment AD is also side, DC also side, CB also side, AB also side. So line segment AB, BC, CD and DA or AD. These are the line segments. These line segments are called sides of a rectangle. Understood all of you? And they are having 4 vertices A, B, C, D. Any name you can give it. P, Q, R, S. But it should be in order. Not in any way. Clockwise or anti-clockwise. It should be go in order. Got it all of you? What is the specialty in this? You can see opposite sides are equal. So what we can write at? AD equal CB or BC. AD equal BC. These opposite sides are equal. And this one AB equal DC or CD. Opposite sides are equal. Like this figure is called rectangle. I hope so all of you got it. Okay, now see this figure. What you can name this quadrilateral. This is also a quadrilateral. What type of quadrilateral it is? See, if you have measured with the ruler means what? Scale. Using scale, you have to measure the lengths of all the sides. What is the name of this quadrilateral? Who can say? What is the name of this quadrilateral? How to name? PQRS. 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 Go in order. If you are writing P here, PQRS or PQRS. Anyway, you can write, but it should go in order, not disorder. Okay, PQRS is a quadrilateral. If you are measuring measure by scale, then you can see all the sides are equal. Suppose if it is 3 centimeter and this also how much? 3 centimeter and this also 3 centimeter and PS also 3 centimeter. All the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Then that figure is called, that rectangle is called square. What it is called? Square. So in this we can write PQ equal, then QR equal, RS equal, PS or SP. All these sides are equal. Yes or no? So we can say PQ is also what? Line segment. P and Q, it is a line segment. QR also line segment. RS also and PS also line segment. Line segment means it has a definite length. It has two definite endpoints. Which are the endpoints of PQ? P and Q are the endpoints of line segment PQ. That is the side. So it is having four sides. All the sides are equal. And all the angles also equal. It is having how many angles? Four angles. P, Q, angle P, not P, angle P, angle Q, angle R and angle S. So these are the sides and angles. Which are they? Angle P, angle Q, angle R and angle S are the four angles. And how many vertices? Here also 4 vertices. Vertices are 4 in a quadrilateral. This is square. So vertices which are they? That corner, this point is vertex. Point P, P, Q, R and S are the 4 vertices. Understood? Angle name you have to notate that angle notation. Then these points are called the PQRS, are the vertices of a triangle, of a square. I hope that all of you got it. Yes? Okay, now see the exercise. You can see different figures. It is written, drawn in your book. Now see this board, all of you. You already learned simple closed curve. Yes? Simple closed curve, open curve, closed curve. This already you learned. So open curve means it never ends. In a starting point and never ending point, it never touches. That is open. This is open. So this is open curve. Yes. This is what? This is also a closed curve. This triangle is also a closed curve. This is also a closed curve. Yes. Now see which is simple closed curve. Simple closed curve means it does not intersect each other. Intersecting means what? Cutting like this way. See, this is also intersecting. Yes. Is it a simple closed curve? No, it is not. No. Yes. This one also, this cutting like this way. Here it is cutting. So it is also, no, it is not a simple closed curve. This one, any cutting is coming? No. Yes. So it is a simple closed curve. It is not cutting like this way. Here intersecting is coming. Cutting, intersecting. Okay. Here also intersecting these 2 points. So it is not simple closed curve. And this one is not intersecting anyway. That is smooth curve only. And this one, see, this also cutting like this way, intersecting. So it is also not a simple closed curve. And this figure, see, closed curve also, and it is simple. It is not intersecting. So it is a simple closed curve. And this figure also, this quadrilateral is also a simple closed curve. I hope that all of you understood this. So first part of that exercise, you have to do it in your book itself. All of you got it? Now see the next questions. You have to put the tick marks on polygons. Okay, tick the curves which are polygons. Polygons means what? Polygons are made up of line segments. Yes or no? Not curve is not coming. Only line segments. Yes. So only line segments which are they. See, is it a polygon? This is a triangle made up of 3 line segments. Yes, it is a polygon. And this one, this is curve is coming. So is it a polygon? No. Other 3 sides are line segments, but this side is curve. Here also is curve shape only, no line segment. So it is also not a polygon. These are, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-sided, what it is called? Hexagon. 6-sided figures, line segments. So it is a polygon. Yes. And this one, so this is also 5-sided line segments. Yes or no? So 5 sides are there. So these are made up of line segments. So it is a polygon. Yes. Yes or no? All of you got it? Yes.